Hey guys, today we have this product. It's a CARABC wireless USB adapter. That what it does, it do connect you to your CarPlay wirelessly. You must have a CarPlay capability with your radio. And this one might be off the market, but I do have CarPlay. So you can see this is a CarPlay. So we're gonna connect this. Normally we connect it with the wire to our iPhone, but this one will connect you wirelessly to your CarPlay capable radio. All right, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and test this thing. All right, let's get started. Alright, so this one says, let's see the product information. It says for OEM car convert wired to wireless, plug and play, non-inductive connection, faster connection, support OTA upgrade, support original vehicle button controls. So this turn your CarPlay wired into wireless. So let's open this thing up. This is pretty good packaging, just like the one in Apple products. It's sealed. It looks pretty neat to me. So let's open it up. We'll see what it looks like inside. Okay, you have a user manual. There you go. Really small device, pretty sleek. You only have C port, and that's it. That's pretty cool. A bit inside underneath this packaging, we have the there you go. It provided the C plug right here, USB and C connection. Perfect, because my CarPlay connection here is USB. I will be able to use this one. Where you do also have a both C connection to use it. And this is the user manual. Let's see what it says. So you can see page 1 and 2 English, a couple more languages in there. This is 1 and 2. Let's see what it says. Insert the adapter USB to your CarPlay. Okay. Type C interface. Pair the CarPlay name with your iPhone. So it's going to be probably a Bluetooth. After successfully connected, and you will be connected. So you can see this one says if the product could work normally, please not to upgrade at will. Okay, so we're not gonna upgrade it yet. We're gonna try to use it first. Insert the adapter USB. If you're upgrading it, it must be in the power connector, like a plug, and not in the USB power outlet. Must be a good 5 volt or 12 volt, I think. There you go, 5 volt power. And you're gonna go to this website to upgrade it. And the rest are the same but different languages. That's pretty straightforward. Alright, let's see if we can get this connected to our car. Alright, so this is my radio setup. So my Apple CarPlay is right here. That's my USB. I don't know if you can read it. It says CarPlay right here. So normally I have my lightning cable here. So the end of this will be connected to my iPhone. Let's check it out. This is my iPhone. Let me open it up. If I plug it in normally, so you can see, this will detect it right there. So it goes to map right away. So It will have some Spotify, whatever option we have. This is our CarPlay that I have. So you can go to menu. You go to menu. That's my menu right here. As you can see, phone, music. That's wired, hands-free. So this one says with this CARABC, let's connect it to C connection here, and then connect the other end to the USB, the CarPlay capable with the radio. So I'm gonna disconnect this one. Okay, so now it's back to regular normal one. Mute that and connect this. There you go. That's one turning it on. So that's turned on. I guess right now, see, it's Bluetooth right there. It's showing Bluetooth here. You can see the glare. That's a Bluetooth. So we're gonna go to our Bluetooth device, and we're gonna find that. So I have my Enon. That's my radio, but it does have a smart box. So we're gonna click that smart box to connect it. Let's see. There you go. Pair. I'm not gonna allow the contacts. We're just gonna get it paired. Let's see if it's getting paired. Right there, it's still connecting. It's the smart box. It says connected, as you can see right here. So it says connected. Let me move this camera real quick. I'll try to press that. They still have a notification saying use CarPlay now. So we're gonna use the CarPlay. We'll see what will happen here. And I'm still connected with that box. Let's see if we'll be able to use this. Okay. Let's see what will happen. There's no buttons here. After that, we are still connected. Let me see. Smart box is connected, and let's see what's the information says. There you go. Look at that. It just take a little while, maybe like 30 seconds to a minute. So as you can see, I'm not connected, and this is not connected to the wire with my phone. And this is connected CarPlay with it. Let's see. As you can see, I do have, see, that's my messages. Pretty cool. And we have here, that is pretty cool. Pretty clear too. And let's see if we can say Siri. No. I don't know if I can talk to Siri with these, but as you can see, that's all the apps that I have. And they got maps. That thing's pretty cool. That's pretty easy. This one is just gonna go paired if you like. So that is pretty cool. That is the phone link that I have from here. So that's how I connect with my CarPlay. As long as you have built-in CarPlay, USB, and you're fine. And that's how it works, guys. That is pretty cool. So make sure you just connect it to that, and I'm still connected there. So all right, guys. See, I got disconnected with that for a little bit, but I guess it might take time. Once you're using it, it should be disconnected. I'm back again. And that one is just with the radio. It happened that with this radio. There you go, guys. Pretty easy setup. And then, alright guys, I'll be using this with a road trip. Easy, I don't need a cable. Alright guys, hope you like that one. Go check it out, CARABC.